Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of the effects of planetary positions and transits in the month of November 2020 from Libra to Pisces. Very important transit, very important month also. So let's see how it goes. Libra, Jupiter will make you feel so uncertain, unsettled. You will actually be questioning your living situation, your home. You will feel like, I just don't feel where I belong. Where is my creative energy? You will feel so restless and you'll be like, you'll be very overwhelmed with a lot of advice that you're going to get. So please make sure from where you're taking advice. Don't talk to too many people because it's not their fault. You're talking about your uncertainty to everybody in their love and concern for you give you advice, and then you get very irritated and overwhelmed, like, I don't need all this advice. Everybody is saying, okay, you must stay there, you should do that. Okay, you must stay there, you should do that. So where do I literally stay and do what? Librans, please just choose one guru, one guide, or one your friend who you trust the most, and don't just talk about your life to everyone. This is going to confuse you way more. It'll be very overwhelming, as I said. So everybody's advice is not welcome. You need to literally know what works best for you and follow that. Scorpions, it's a very good transit for you. It can get massive harmony between you and your siblings. This is the best transit for Scorpions to have, to fix everything that went wrong between you and your brothers and sisters and all that. That's great time. The communication with relations, communications with, friends, it can really improve. It can get better and people will understand you. You will understand them. So the lovely transit for as far as harmony in relations and understanding in relationships is coming. So good for you, Scorpions. You always need that because you can't handle if your relationships are not in harmony. It really bothers you. Sagittarians is a very important transit for you, as Jupiter is your ruling lord and is going into Capricorn and sitting with Saturn. You will definitely feel you need to organize your finances. You will be like, I think I was a bit delusional, and I thought I would, conquer the world, because of course, before this Jupiter was in Sagittarius. You felt very dignified and overconfident till it literally will make the transit now on the 19th. So your ego will be crushed a little. You'll get a reality check and you'll be like, okay, I need to work on my finances. Where is my life heading? You will feel lighter and happier only if you're very disciplined. You do lack a bit of discipline, Sagittarians, and you need to live a very disciplined life in order to feel some sanity in this whole transit. Capricornians, Jupiter is coming in Capricorn and Saturn is already stationed there, and you've got to now deal with two massive and two very slow moving planets in your zodiac. So Jupiter will expand your horizon. He's going to expand your opportunities. He may even expand your family life. Capricornians who are expecting to have a baby or expand their family, they can absolutely expect that to happen in this transit of Jupiter of 5 months. I'll just ask you to be a little more cautious because Saturn is also there. So Saturn is not going to make things for you that easy. He will time to time block Jupiter's way, and he will tell Jupiter, like, no, you can't give so many opportunities to this person. I need to karmically check Capricornians, and I need to check what they deserve and what they have really truly earned. So that all is going to happen, but overall, not bad at all. You will gain a lot of expansion in this transit. Aquarians, you have to watch your expenses in this transit for 5 months. Please, Aquarians, you cannot go overboard. You cannot get arrogant, and you cannot take your money for granted. You will actually feel everybody's eyeing my money, and you are correct. Somehow you're in people's eye, and so is your money. So please watch that. Yes, I'm not gonna say don't help people and all, but just watch where it's really required. Do it. Don't have extra expenses, especially in the house. I see you doing some massive changes, maybe buying a new car or buying this or buying that. You don't need it. Everything is fine. Just till April. Let the transit go and then you'll know, oh, okay, now I think I can make wiser and better decisions where my expenses are concerned. So hold on. Pisces, Jupiter is your lord as well, like Sagittarians, and Jupiter has come into Capricorn. Not the best time for your health. You will feel very you'll feel very strange allergies, and you will feel like, I don't think my body is cooperating with me, or I'm not even able to understand my body. You'll feel very strange where that's concerned. You need to improve your food habits, Capricornians. Your stomach will not agree with you, and you may develop some, as I said, allergies, and your stomach will be upset most of the time in this transit. So please watch it. You will feel a massive burden, and you'll feel like, I have a lot of responsibilities, but I'm not getting any help from the creator or from the universe. But this is just your feeling. You'll be very surprised. Jupiter being in Capricorn, just let it settle down. Jupiter and Capricorn will get very close to one another on the 21st of December, and you'll be very surprised. New opportunities will come. New opportunities will be at your doorstep, and you will grab them. But of course, till that time, you'll feel massive pressure. So that brings to the end of the golden book and the secrets of all the golden book that I write in it of the planetary position. All of you, please stay still, maintain the social distancing, stay safe, stay home, stay very, very happy, because these planets are amazing. They're coming after decades, and when they're coming for a shift, we are ready for the shift. We are ready to show them that we have it in us to make the transformation. So please, all of you, take it in a very positive attitude, and don't be scared of them. Don't be nervous. Until next time, I see all of you, and take it from there. Bye bye.